Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today's project is going to be an anvil stand. Now, the base of this will be 4 2x8s. We'll also use 2x4s to secure them all together. The central pillar will be made of 4 4x6s combined, and that should give this project enough weight to really stay in one place and absorb the hammer blows. So when we screw these in, we're gonna want to make sure that there is either some room beneath the piece so that the screws can go in without striking anything else. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and turn it over. Here you can do one of two things. You can either hammer the screws that are poking out down so that they're flat. I prefer to use the angle grinder and just cut off the excess. and that's what you'll see me doing here. So I'm not really sure what I measured wrong, but I guess at some point I made the central pillar too high. So what you're gonna see me doing here was this really long and kind of sketchy odyssey of me going through with different tools, trying to very slowly cut the top off of this anvil stand. So at some point, I figured out that this was going to take far too long, and that in life, a lot of things can be solved with a chainsaw. Honestly, this was the best way to go. Took me like 2 minutes to fix the issue, where the other thing I spent about half an hour trying and making little to no progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.